Can you tell that I'm doing this late at night and I might be going a little nuts? I made cat ears while I was waiting for the videos to download. So this video, I'm going to be wearing cat ears. Meow meow. Okay, so remember we've already done a couple of slides. Today we're just going to do a map of the country, and then we're going to get started on our facts slide. That has a couple of things that we have to do a little bit of research on, but we're going to split it up between days, okay? Okay. So this is day 3, day 3, day 3, day 3. You could do it this way too if you wanted to. Of our country research project. We're looking for a map of our country. And when I looked at my research pages, it gave me this, but I wanted like a close-up map of like the actual country space. So what I did is I typed in map of Tonga, okay? And I found that it looks kind of like a little like hook thing here you can see on my screen. And I was like, oh, that's really cool. Ooh. Even this one, it looks like this is almost like a map that they would give out to someone who's going around on the island, which is cool. My husband's family lives there, so I'm really curious where they live exactly on the island, and I kind of want to ask them now, like, hey, where do you live? Where's your house at? Um, so I'm trying to figure out which one I like the best. And I actually really like this one just because I think it's cool that it looks like a map, but there's also a couple down here that are pretty neat. Like this one's pretty cool with all the names of the places, which I have trouble pronouncing and I don't want to say it and butcher it and make it go awful. So I won't try. But this is another really good map that I like, but I do really like this one because it reminds me of like when I go to a tourist place and this is what they give me. So I am going to copy this and I'm going to go over here and I'm going to click my Control V, meow meow, and slide it to kind of the middle. I like it in the middle. I don't know, it makes me happy. And then I'm going to highlight this again, remember, just to make it look really nice. I like changing the font, so I'm going to change it to my happy monkey. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger and bold. And then I'm going to stretch my box so it all fits. Look at all the skills we're learning on our slides here. You guys are going to be Google Slide pros after this for sure. So that's it. That's your map of your country. Boom, you're done. Now you get to move on. So on this next one here, meow meow, some facts, and I'm going to change this again because I like it. I like having fun fonts. Fonts can be fun. Bold. I'm going to make this box a little bit bigger so it fits. Boom. So the leader, so the person in charge. So this is where I have to start doing a little bit more of my actual research. So I'm going in here. Let's see, a brief history of Tonga. It's an island nation in the South Pacific. By Polynesian people since 500 BC. The Tongan Kingdom. Oh, it's called the Tongan Kingdom. Okay. Interesting. Let's see, people who discovered it. Ooh, geography of Tonga. Like when we're looking at it on a map. People of Tonga. Ooh, type of government. It's a constitutional monarchy. So they still have royalty people, actually. They've never been taken over by anybody. So they actually still have like a king. The princess comes to visit. It's a really big deal when she comes. So I remember that. I know that from my husband's family, but I'm really curious if it says who is in charge. I don't see anybody on this one, but I do see this economy of Tonga I know is later on slides, so I don't want to get rid of this site yet. I really like it. Ooh, Prime Minister in 2014. So a Prime Minister is someone that can be in charge. Oh, hello. So I'm going to sovereign though. Sovereign is a leader. If you didn't know, sovereign's a leader. Okay, wait. It says it on here too. All right, sold. Okay, so I'm just gonna highlight these on here on my screen and I'm going to click copy, or now you get to learn the secret